Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's experiment number 10 of electric circuit analysis 1 lab, we are going to verify the maximum power transfer theorem. The objective of this lab is to verify the maximum power transfer theorem, which you have already studied in theory. Sometimes in electrical and electronic system, we require that maximum amount of power should get transferred to the load. Like in the case of audio system, we require that maximum amount of power from audio amplifier should get transferred to the speaker. For this, we use maximum power transfer theorem. Let's have an overview of maximum power transfer theorem. It has been found that any network can be reduced to a Thevenin or Norton equivalent circuit with respect to any points of interest. The Thevenin equivalent circuit consists of a voltage source in series with the Thevenin resistance. The Norton equivalent circuit consists of a current source in parallel with Norton's resistance. According to maximum power transfer theorem, any circuit will be able to provide maximum power to the load when load resistance is equal to the Thevenin's or Norton's resistance. For lab task 1, measure the resistors and construct a circuit as shown in figure 10.1. Maximum power transfer theorem tells us that if we connect a resistor RL between the points 1 and 2, maximum power will be transferred from the network to the load resistance if load resistance is equal to Thevenin's or Norton resistance. We shall use the Thevenin's equivalent circuit during this practical. Set the source voltage to 15 volts. Now to find out VTH, measure the voltage between the points 1 and 2 and note it down. This is the Thevenin voltage. To find out the Thevenin's resistance, turn off the supply voltage and place a short circuit across a voltage source and measure the Thevenin's resistance. Now in step 7, construct the Thevenin's equivalent circuit by setting the supply voltage to VTH and the variable resistance to the Thevenin's resistance RTH and connect a variable resistance between the points 1 and 2 as shown in the figure 10.2. Measure V12 in the Thevenin's equivalent circuit for the different values of RL. Calculate the power delivered using the formula and fill out the following table. इस टेबल में आपने क्या करना है कि आपने थेवेनिन रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर ली है. अब आपने RL की वो वैल्यू सेट करनी है फर्स्ट रो में टेबल की जो आपने थेवेनिन रेजिस्टेंस निकाली है उसके 0.8 टाइम्स हो. फिर आप V12 निकालेंगे और पावर निकालेंगे. सेकेंड रो में आपने RL की वो वैल्यू लेनी है जो आपकी थेवेनिन रेजिस्टेंस के 0.9 टाइम्स है. फिर आप V12 और पावर निकालेंगे. थर्ड में आप क्या करेंगे कि आपने लोड रेजिस्टेंस की वही वैल्यू लेनी है जो आपकी थेवेनिन रेजिस्टेंस है और फिर आप टेबल को इस तरह फिल करते जाएंगे और आप देखेंगे कि मैक्सिमम पावर ट्रांसफ़र रो 3 में आएगा जहाँ पे हमारे पास लोड रेजिस्टेंस इक्वल है थेवेनिन रेजिस्टेंस के. फॉर लैब टास्क 2, कंस्ट्रक्ट द फॉलोइंग सर्किट एज शोन. measure the value of RL for the maximum power transfer and find the value of maximum power that can be dissipated in RL. Thank you.